4, 5, 6 years old, that kind of age range. And we sort of assumed that children would not be able to do this on their own, that they would need support from the parent to read the book, to help with the stickers, to help show them how the iPad app works, although sometimes it was the other way around. And so we were really interested in taking the storybook as a cultural form, which we know parents, for the most part, we hope that parents know how to read a book with their kids, and seeing if parents could take these emerging literacy practices and then apply them to this computational literacy context. And then the second question is, of course, if we think about this as a cultural form, we expect that people are going to interpret it differently depending on their background, depending on their language, depending on their ethnicity, depending on their country. All of these factors should mean that people will interpret storybook reading differently, and this is what the literature says as well. So fortunately, one of the students working on this, Sarah, was from Saudi Arabia. She still is from Saudi Arabia. And she was going to spend the summer in Riyadh. So we thought that this is a great opportunity to actually sort of test this from two very different cultural settings. And so what we did is we translated the book to Arabic. We changed the name of the character to Omar. We reversed the order in which you construct programs. So in the Arabic version, you construct programs from right to left rather than from left to right to be consistent with written Arabic. And then we recruited a small number of parents and children to test out the prototype. So we gave them the sticker book, the stickers, and then we showed them the app on a small tablet computer. And we basically said, look, just pretend like we're not here. We're going to go sit in the corner and try to just do these activities together. And if you have questions or you're not sure how something works, see if you can figure it out on your own. So we collected around 11 hours of video. The session links were about 44 minutes in length. And then we took all of the sessions and transcribed them and then translated the Arabic sessions into English for analysis. So the first step in going through the analysis was to take the existing literature on parent-child storybook reading and kind of iteratively develop a coding scheme. And then sort of tried to understand how parents were scaffolding and supporting their kids as they were working through these activities. And we did see a number of ways in which the language literacy sort of practices kind of led over into the computational literacy kind of activities, and it was really difficult in many cases